Good afternoon, my good friends. So it is finally happening. Congress is taking huge action right now and proposing a brand new stimulus relief package. This new legislation would provide eligible Americans with an extra boost of relief money to help them during this crisis. So my friends, do make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can claim this extra stimulus money. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. And if you're interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, stay tuned please for the key word.
It is interesting, though, that they make a lot of money off of it, and therefore it could affect their behavior in all of it. But what I had said is, with the fact that the SBA has kissed this loan, there is no risk. There is no risk, and as well as the Fed enabling them to not have this count. This time. But let me say that that's why it was hard to understand why our Republican colleagues were not embracing our initiative of $60 billion that would go to community development financial institutions. So those institutions who know the neighborhood, who know the community, know the customers, know the businesses, know the culture, would be able to make loans, smaller loans, into the community and alleviate some of that from the banks. I thought it was really something that they would welcome, because therefore those who know that community better would be meeting their needs.
Without a doubt.
So that's why I'm so pleased that we got that.
The United States federal government responded to this crisis by sending out stimulus checks to help low-income and medium-income Americans, with one stimulus check of $1,200 in April of 2020, with the second stimulus check of $600 in December of 2020, and then a third stimulus check of $1,400 in March of 2021. The great news, friends, is that a fourth stimulus check is likely on its way. Inflation is one reason why Congress will be taking action to get a fourth stimulus package passed. Rising inflation is a huge and major concern in the United States right now. Inflation is hitting all sectors of the economy. The overall rate of inflation on an annual basis reached 7.5% at the end of this January. This is the highest level since 1982. Fuel prices are rising faster than ever, reaching $4.25 a gallon on Wednesday, which is up from $2.86 per gallon last March. That means filling a 20-gallon tank right now costs about $85. That is up from $57.20 last year at the same time. A recent report by CNN News has estimated that inflation was costing the average American household about $300 more per month, or about $1,100 per quarter. So friends, it's really ridiculous, because many Americans, especially those who are in low and middle income households, cannot afford those rapid price increases. Our federal government does have the tools to directly help families cope with this rising gasoline prices and overall increase in inflation. The administration could create a new program to help lower income families pay for the high price of gasoline, raise interest rates to slow the economy, and find other ways to ease supply chain disruptions. While all of these actions could help, they would take some time to work their way through the economy and slow the growth of inflation. The fastest and most effective way to protect citizens from the impacts of global economic instability is to provide a direct payment through the IRS, which is similar to the 3 stimulus checks that were sent to U.S. households during the height of the crisis. Those checks helped low and moderate income households when schools and childcare programs were closed and companies were laying off workers. However, friends, many economists say that unlike the past 3 rounds of stimulus checks, the fourth stimulus payment should be targeted directly to low and moderate income families, or those earning less than 80% of the national median income. So in that way, these checks reach those in greatest need while also limiting the total cost of the program. Do you think that the next stimulus check should go out to a more targeted group of individuals? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. The Biden administration and lawmakers in Congress have been considering payments of $1,100 per household to pay for 4 months of higher prices going forward. But many economists and advocacy groups say that President Biden should provide a second or even third check to low and moderate income families for an additional 4 months in the event that prices remain very high. This is since we do not know when the crisis is going to come to an end, or when prices for essential goods and services will return to more affordable levels. As the U.S. government works to lower inflation through longer-term solutions, this stimulus will help low and moderate income families afford necessities in the short term. However, friends, there are some lawmakers, including Senate Democrat Joe Manchin, that feel that the next round of checks should have new eligibility requirements. Joe Manchin told Business Insider that his position on a work requirement for the next stimulus payment has not changed for some time now. Democrats need all 50 senators on board to pass the legislation via the reconciliation process, and the West Virginia senator has been a big obstacle in getting the social spending bill to President Biden's desk. Friends, the keyword for this video is purple. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Other Democrats, including President Biden, oppose the work requirement because it would leave out the neediest Americans. It would potentially exclude grandparents who care for their grandchildren while living on a fixed income, as well as some parents who are students or who are disabled and cannot work. So my friends, what do you think about Joe Manchin's work requirement? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. My good friends, you've come to the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for watching my videos daily. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.